Hello, today we're going to show you how to fix that squished in recessed outlet issue that a lot of people have. So let's see what we're talking about. So here is a squished in recessed poorly done plug, which sadly I actually did. So what we see here is if you push on the plug, it actually wiggles in and out, which isn't very good because what is holding it in place here is actually our plug cover. So we're gonna fix this with a simple and cheap little thing you can get on Amazon. It's a little kit called a plug extender. And we'll have a link down there in the descriptions too so you can see exactly what we're talking about. But what it has are these little red rubbery tubes and long little screws. That's all it's gonna take. So first what we're gonna do is turn the breaker off and take off this plug cover. Okay, and now that the plug cover's off, now we can really see what we're talking about in here. We can push this receptacle, whoop, all the way back into the wall. That's not good. So, we'll take this top screw and this bottom screw out first. And as a comparison, here is the old screw, and then here is a new one, quite a bit longer. Now with the receptacle pulled out, we need to figure out how long or how short to cut our spacer hose. So what we're going to do is take our pair of scissors, hold them flush against the wall, and put our piece of rubber extender on there, and now we can just bring our scissors together, make a cut, and that is how long our spacer needs to be. And we'll do the same thing for the bottom. Now we have our two spacers, top and bottom, cut and ready to go. All that is left to do, take our two new bolts, or little screws, put them in the appropriate holes, slide on our spacer, and then just screw it all back together. Now that our spacer's in, you get to put the faceplate back on. And voila, there we go. It is nice and sturdy and it won't get sucked into the wall as you're trying to plug things into it now.